Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about A2 level German book Netzwerk chapter 5. I have already made video about chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you have not seen, go to the playlist and watch all the chapter wise videos. Link of this playlist I will write in the description, or you can go directly to the playlist. So let's start with chapter 5. Lektion 5. Was machen Sie beruflich? This is our chapter 5. Was machen Sie beruflich? What you do professionally? What is your profession? Or what is your occupation? I have written 3 questions. How can we ask somebody's professions, occupation? Was sind Sie von Beruf? What are you by profession? Was ist Ihr Beruf? What is your Beruf? What is your job? What is your occupation? So these are 3 different ways of asking somebody's profession, somebody's occupation, what he or she is by profession. So these are the questions, and answer we can give in different manners. First of all, ich bin Lehrer von Beruf, ich arbeite als Lehrer, or ich bin als Lehrer tätig. These are 3 different methods of answering these questions. So I am writing here, ich bin Lehrer, ich bin Lehrer von Beruf. This is my first answer. Okay. Ich bin Lehrer von Beruf. I am teacher by profession. This is my first answer. Second, ich arbeite als Lehrer. I work as teacher. Ich arbeite als Lehrer. This is second. And third, ich bin als Lehrer tätig. Okay, I am working as teacher. Ich bin als Lehrer tätig. So all 3 answers are correct. You can choose any one answer. Ich bin Lehrer von Beruf, ich arbeite als Lehrer, or ich bin als Lehrer tätig. These are the 3 answers, and these are the questions. You can ask any one question and you can give any one answer. Now I am writing some professions in German, because you should be aware about the professions, how to say this profession in German. So I am writing here some profession. If you know, you can write below in the comment as well. So let's start. Doctor, Arzt, Mechaniker, mechanic, designer. Okay, designer, web designer, it's as it is. Teacher, Lehrer is already written. Tischler, Tischler means carpenter, Tischler. And then we have Kellner, Kellner, waiter. Geschäftsmann, businessman, Geschäftsmann, Geschäftsmann. And then I am using this side also, Ingenieur. Ingenieur, if somebody is engineer, he or she can write engineer. Engineer. Entwickler, developer, software developer. Software is same, and this is Entwickler. Okay, Entwickler. Friseur, Friseur, barber. Okay, Friseur. Fahrer, driver, Fahrer, driver. Krankenschwester, nurse. So these are some basic professions. These are some general professions that you must know in German. How do we say these professions in German? Carpenter, Tischler, Mechaniker, web designer, software Entwickler, Arzt, Krankenschwester, Krankenpfleger, Lehrer, Mechaniker, Secretary, Anwalt. Yes, very good. Anwalt is advocate, Anwalt. We also say Rechtsanwalt, but Anwalt is also correct. So these are the professions in German. Now I will use this side. I will use this side of the board. I'll make it clean, and then I will tell you about some difficult words that we learn in this chapter. Some important, very important vocabulary I will write here. So please pay attention, and if you have the book, you can open your book and please look at these difficult words, word charts. We say word charts, word meanings, vocabulary in German. So profession, this chapter is not all about profession but also some difficult words related to the professions, job market. Okay, I'll start. First of all, Teamarbeit. You know Teamarbeit? Teamarbeit. Verbindung, connectivity, like Internet Verbindung. Na? You work from home, so Internet ist sehr wichtig. Internet Verbindung. Teamarbeit. Zusammenarbeit, work together. So these are very, very difficult words and very, very useful. Zusammenarbeit, work together. When you work in a team, Zusammenarbeit we say. Zusammenarbeit, okay. When you work in a team, these are called Zusammenarbeit. Teamarbeit, Zusammenarbeit. And then we have Arbeitswelt, Arbeitsleben, Verschwinden. These are all difficult words that you must know. So these words are very, very crucial and you must know. You are expected that you know at least these words. These words are expected that you must know. Arbeitswelt, okay. Arbeitswelt, working world, okay. Where do you work? Working world. Arbeitswelt, Arbeitsklima, like we say Arbeitsklima, there is also word Arbeitswelt, okay. Arbeitswelt. So now you can see the board as well. Arbeitswelt, working world, like a lot of people are working, so we say Arbeitswelt, okay. Arbeitswelt, Arbeitskraft, workforce, Arbeitswelt, okay. These are very, very important words, you must use them. Alright. Arbeitskraft, workforce. Arbeitnehmer means you as a Arbeitnehmer, employee, and the company is called Arbeitgeber because they are giving you work. Arbeitgeber, and you Arbeitnehmer. Fähigkeit, your ability. Fähigkeit, capacity, your ability. Fähigkeit, these are the very important words. Fähigkeit, your ability, your capacity. Fähigkeit. And then Austausch, exchange of knowledge. These words are given here in the book and you can do that, page number 59. If you want to see, page number 59. Austausch von Wissen, exchange of knowledge. Wissen means knowledge. Austausch von Wissen. Then you have Ergebnis. Ergebnis is your result. Ergebnis, das Ergebnis, okay, result. Arbeitsalltag, your working day. Arbeitsalltag, your everyday working life. Like you go to the office at 10 a.m. and you work till 5 p.m. This is your Arbeitsalltag, okay. Ich arbeite von 9 bis 5. Ich arbeite von 10 bis 5. Arbeitsalltag. Arbeitsteilung, work division, okay, division of work, okay. Arbeitsteilung means partition, division. Arbeitsteilung, these are two words. Arbeitsteilung, like Arbeits and Alltag, two words. This is called composite word in German. We have joined the two words. Erfolgreich is an adjective, means successful. How can you become successful in a profession? And then Arbeitsteilung, lebenslang lernen, lifelong learning. Lebenslang lernen, lebenslanges lernen. If you learn something lifelong, because nobody is perfect, we learn every day and it's a gradual process, it takes time. We learn lifelong, lebenslanges lernen. So these are the vocabulary, these are certain things that we have done today. I hope you understand. Please go to the playlist and watch all the videos related to your respective level. Keep learning with me, keep learning German with me. Online as well as recording lectures are available on the channel. More than 1000 videos I have made so far for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.